Hi, in this session, I'm going to talk about how to use the Git commands using the command prompt. In the previous session, I talked about the same thing, but using the Visual Studio, how you can create the new Git repository in the VSTS or the Azure DevOps, creating the new project and clone the project in the Visual Studio, and make the changes, check in, check out, and then commit your changes, merge the changes. All that we talked about in the previous video, but we used the Visual Studio to do that. In this session, I'm going to concentrate on the command prompt because most of the people are very much interested in knowing how to do these Git commands using the command prompts instead of using the Visual Studio. Probably that will be the faster way. So let's get started with Git commands. Now, I have a project here, already created a project in the Azure DevOps, and I'm going to clone this using the command prompt. Now I have two branches here. One is the master branch and one is the developer branch. And develop branch is something I'll be using for develop and then make the necessary changes in the code and commit your changes back into the remote branch. So let's clone the repository. So in order to clone the repository, we can start with the command prompt. So I will open the command prompt in the admin mode, and then so this is the command. I've already taken this. So we can run this command, which will actually create or clone the entire project. So this command will say git clone and the remote repo name, and then from develop branch, I'm actually cloning into the my physical path. So this has 89 files. All the files are cloned. Now, if I go to the repo, I'll be able to see the new project has been created. So let's open the new project, the project which is cloned in the Visual Studio, and then make changes or execute the command. So let's close this command. In order to open the command prompt, you can open from Start menu and type CMD and open in the admin mode, and then go to the physical path CD, and the physical path of the project is this. Then select this. This is one way to select the physical path of the project, or in the Visual Studio, right click on Manage and then Actions and click on the Open Command Prompt. So this will again open the command prompt in the admin mode. Make sure that we open the command prompt in the admin mode. Now let's take a look at that. Currently, if I click on the Manage Branches, I am able to see the Develop branch, which is cloned locally, and the remote origin has two branches, Develop and the Master branch. If I want to see the status of the current Git repo, I can enter the so Git status will say on branch develop, your branch is up to date with origin develop. So nothing to commit or making trees clean. Now I can also check Git branch. So there is only one branch locally, which is develop branch. Let's say if I want to check out my master branch, git check out master. Now master branch is switched, and I got the master branch locally. Now if I want to switch back to the or check the status, git branch. Now there are two branches, and the master branch is checked out. Master branch is highlighted. If I want to switch the branch, I can say git branch or git checkout develop. So I want to check out the develop branch. Just like here, we right click and check out, and we can use the command from git checkout. Now if I want to create the new branch, let's say I want to start some new development, and I will create a new branch. So in order to create the new branch, you can git branch and new branch name. So I'll name it as develop1. Now local branch got created. Now see git branches. To list the list of branches, you can say git branch. I see develop1 and master. If I want to switch to the develop1, so I will say checkout develop1 git branch. I see my current branch is develop1. So let's make some changes and see how it looks like. Let's say I add external comments. Same thing, go to the program file, add XML comments, add more XML comments. Now I see there are two files got changed, program, and these two files are not staged yet. So go here, git status. It will clearly show there are two files got modified, program.cs and startup.cs, and you can use the git add to add it to the stage area, so that we can commit the changes. So in order to add the files, you can say git add and the dot, which will add all the files. Now if you look at staged changes, there are two files got added back into the staged. Now if I want to commit changes git, I can enter commit and then say M for commit, and I can enter my comments git commit M message or commit message. So two files got changed and those two files got committed. So those files got committed to the local branch. Those files are not available in the remote yet. So if I see, I still have master and develop only. So my develop1 branch is not pushed to remote yet. So in order to push the changes, we should enter git push my changes a set then upstream where is in develop one. So there is something wrong. So this is the command to, no, not this one. Let's try. So now I corrected that, so there is a space after the set. So the command is a git space push hyphen set upstream origin develop one. Now the develop one branch has been pushed to the remote, If I go and refresh my project, Git repository here, I should be able to see the new branch got pushed to the remote. Now, if I want to delete the branch, so there are two options: delete the branch from local or delete the branch from remote. So let's use the git branch T for delete. I can say develop one. Cannot delete the branch checked out. So since this project the repo got checked out right now, we cannot delete that. So switch the branch. Say git checkout to develop. Or if I want to check all my branches, develop is right now checked out. I can see here develop got checked out. Now I can delete. We can git branch -d develop one. Develop one got deleted. Now this got deleted locally here. If I go here, branches, now I see deleted from here. It's not deleted in the remote yet. So in order to delete the branch remote, so this is the command git push remote name, that's the path, and then execute the delete command to delete from the so this should delete the branch, deleted the branch. If I go and refresh in my DevOps, I should not be able to see the develop one. So these are the commands we talked about so far. Cloning the Git repo from Azure DevOps, check the status, Git list up all the branches, how to create the new branch, Git checkout, adding the files, committing the files, push changes. We didn't talk about the merging, to delete the branch. So merging using the command prompt is a big pain. So I personally feel using the Visual Studio instead of using the git command, but even the git command should work. I hope this video tutorial helps. I'm also making a lot of other videos on the Azure DevOps on different topics, like I'm creating the website, API app, deploying to the Azure using the Azure DevOps CI/CD release pipeline. So I'm going to continue these videos, so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel or watch other videos on my YouTube channel. I hope this helps. Thank you.